caps guy came here, the guy who sells wheel caps, he's like, congratulations, man, to me. I'm like, why? He's like, you bought the Urus. You bought Vic's Urus. Congratulations. I'm like, no, bro, it was a joke. Oh.
I have this little handheld mic because somebody's drilling a building behind us. But here we have this black badge Cullinan. As you can see, the black chrome emblems right here. It is now featuring a full 1016 Industries wide body package. As you can see, it's much wider and it's lowered. It's on 26-inch RDB Signature Wheels. It's slammed, no rubbing. This car has no rubbing. The stance is perfect. We don't have to go back to the shop and fix the stance or anything like that. It's a perfect stance. Drives great. Even in low mode, when you're driving slowly, no rubbing. We just tested it with 4 people in the car. So crazy. Completely body color matched body kit as well. This is not your standard metallic black, solid black. This is like a crystal black, where it has little fine crystals inside of it. Truly a crazy black color. Here's the little trunk spoiler. The diffuser is really nice. Obviously the flare's perfect fit. I can't fit anything in there. Literally, you cannot fit a piece of paper in there if you wanted to. Rocker panels are beautiful. The front end is sick. It's got the LEDs on the bottom. But check out this crazy interior. Black badge carbon right here. Obviously the blue, white, and black. So it's got a triple color theme inside of it, which is like the Tiffany, the black, and the white. It also has a Tiffany stripe going alongside the vehicle, as you can see here. We incorporated that to the brake calipers and also the caps of the wheels. Brake calipers color match, and also color match ring right there. Pretty crazy to sit on 26s and look like this. Factory black chrome grille, all that was left alone. So we left all those beautiful pieces nice. The door handles were also body color painted, as well as the reflectors. So there you have it. I mean, this is one of my favorite Cullinans ever, and it has my favorite wheels ever, which is the RDB Signature Wheels, the most copied aftermarket wheel in the entire industry. I can say that confidently. It has been copied by everybody. So we have like 8 guys behind me shooting from 1016. Paul Wallace is here all the way from the UK. So we got some visitors and a lot of people talking over this car. We've done a lot of Cullinans, but I don't know why this one hits differently. I think it's because of the blue and the black and the 26s. So, bye-bye.
Beautiful Maybach. Gorgeous. Amazing. Unbelievable.
So your customer?
Yep. This is the first brushed wrap material that I've sold. And it looks really good, actually. Because the whole thing with this is, we'll have a surprise for you guys. The wheels on this car are made to match the wrap design, which is like a brush finish, which is gonna look amazing. Wrapped in Michelin.
These aren't the wheels. These aren't the
These are not the wheels. These are just, we're doing the wheels right now. So we're gonna do the wheels, we're gonna lower it.
Why are you happy?
It's washed and detailed and ready to go.
Do you get commission from this?
Ask them.
No. All the comments. You should give him commission. Be nice, Mono. By the way, I was joking about buying Vic's Urus. You know how people came here and said congratulations?
Really?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, shit.
Even the wheel cap guy that sells us wheel caps, he's like, congratulations, Mono.
Oh,
I'm like,
really?
for what? He's like, you bought Vic's Urus. I'm like, no, bro, it was a joke.
Those are the Maybach tires?
Yep. Have you ever seen this before?
Yep.
Take 2 tires to the back.
Looks like it's more difficult than just carrying them.
You never win with you. You're always a negative person. You'd be a very bad person to take to Vegas.
Why?
Negative energy.
It's a nice color.
Yeah. It's a nice finish to match the wrap. I think it came out really nice.
It's like an OEM finish.
Yep. This is a nice one. He's gonna like it. Let's look at the floating caps. Where are they? Look at these bad boys.
Dang, those are nice.
Look at these bad boys to match the wheels finish. So basically the wheels, the wrap, and the caps, they all match. It's unbelievable.
We don't have a car wash guy anymore.
Don't need one.
You just gotta do it all yourself now.
Yep.
Some easy wheels to clean too.
Yep.
Dang. Why do you need so much on one wheel?
So it looks nice and shiny. I learned this technique from clear my valve, see? How did these wheels just get so dirty? We just left the car. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
What do you think they need to do?
Maybe wrap the center pieces.
Doesn't match perfectly.
Yeah, the color doesn't match. Maybe that one, at least right now, it looks like a 3 colors, you know, right there.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You gotta tell Moses. He doesn't know what he's doing.
No, Moses, sometimes he don't care. You know? So he knows about the color, he knows about the thing, he knows about the center pieces, so has to
So
be,
he had time to,
he has time to figure it out about the center pieces.
but he didn't do it.
Alright guys, we are standing in front of this brand new Maybach S680. This is the V12 version. As you guys know, the V12 came out and we're getting a lot of those in. This is a brand new car as well, came with less than 200 miles on the dash. Customer got it with the vision of doing this. A very, very big NBA All-Star player. Not sure if he wants it exposed, so we're not going to say his name. But he's a big time player and he has this amazing creation right here. This is actually a brushed titanium wrap. If you get closer, you can see the texture of it. It's directional, so it's a very tough wrap to do. And generally, we do it on a lot of SUVs and a super luxury car like this. It works. This is not your regular like brushed silver color or brushed black. It's between. It's titanium, so it has like a grayish look to it. From far away, it just looks kind of like a matte dark gray. But another special feature on this is the RDB one-piece monoblock Mercedes-style classic wheels. We color matched, powder coated that to the brush color. So the wheels are actually brushed as well, and then they're powdered with titanium with some gold flake, so we get as close as possible to that wrap color, which is very, very hard to do. The car also has a little bit of a blackout, but we went more of the wrap with everything. As far as the grille is the only thing black, the emblems, and that's it. All the trims, everything else, we kept it with that brush wrap. We wanted to do that more solid body look. There you have it. This thing's a beast. Lowered slightly, still drives great. These are 22s, not 24s. With the 22s, it still drives good. You don't have wheel tire problems all day long. And it's got a super black tint on it, so it looks even meaner when you're driving. Can't see anything inside. And then you have this big beast of a brushed titanium Maybach rolling through.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.